1979 Chrysler Cordoba with removable T-tops. Check that out. Underneath the hood, 360 V8 power. It's paired up with an automatic transmission. Odometer reads 49,383 miles. Nicely equipped also, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC has been converted to R134A. We have not had it blowing cold. May need a little care there. But it appears all the components are there. Take a look at the front chrome on the bumper, the stacked headlights, headlight bezels, grille, and of course, the Cordoba hood ornament. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see this car from every angle. You'll see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, and all those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Light cashmere paint, partial vinyl top, reupholstered front bucket seats, and yes, that rich Corinthian leather. Check out the white wall radials, Cordoba wheel covers. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. You can see there's a few imperfections, maybe a nick or a scuff here or there on the paint, but it has a nice shine to it. Still has a great look. And I have not noticed any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Just real minute ones, if anything. Power antenna is working. AM, FM, 8-track player. And yes, we're going to get around to the driver's side. Check out that 8-track player. I have a little Jimmy Lee Lewis on the dash there, and it is working. We'll check that out here in just a bit. Take a little closer look at the interior, but first, there's that vinyl roof. Nice shape. Rear to fog. And you can see those panels are nice and straight. No major nicks, dings, or scratches, like I said. Filler panels intact. Those are looking decent. Chrome in the rear bumper. It also has newer exhaust. You can see the exhaust tips there. And it is a dual exhaust. Also has new shocks. Tranny was recently gone through. Windshield wiper arms and the motor and the assembly parts will go along with the car, that they're in a box and they'll be put back in the trunk. And once again, you'll see those in the still pictures and all the other still pictures that can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like Cordobas, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. And the Cordobas we get in usually sell rather quickly, especially the stacked headlight models. Those particular years seem to be the most popular, at least with the ones we've sold. Take a look at the door panels. You can see power windows. I like this. There's no power lock switch, but look, it does have electric lock. Also has a power seat over here in the driver's side. That is functioning, and you can see front seats have been reupholstered. And of course, everybody remembers the commercial. If you're around at that time watching TV, old Fantasy Island. What was the name of the character on Fantasy Island? There's one for down in the comments. Go ahead and put that down in the comments. The rich Corinthian leather. Tilt column. Let's fire this up. Again, 360 V8. There's what the odometer reads, 49,383. Would not surprise me if that is original miles. I cannot confirm it due to the age of the vehicle. Once it's so old, the title is marked exempt and it's not recorded on the title anymore. All right, stereo system. Let's start with that. So there's your AM, FM radio working, and how about a little 8-track action? Check that out.
So you see why I won't be there at your party.
That brings back some memories. Digital clock, that is working. Take a look at the dash. Good shape. Of course, center console with the automatic shift. Armrest. In the still pictures, you'll also see the carpet underneath Tweety Bird there. Those obviously are some aftermarket floor mats that have been added. Let's listen. Sounds good. Kind of a nice, deep, throaty exhaust note. And those chrome tips on the exhaust, those can be removed if you don't like just the tips on there. You want just the exhaust exiting out the rear. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get this hood popped open. Check out that engine bay, and then as usual, if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. There's a good look at the underside of the hood, nice and clean and tidy. And engine bay. There is a battery disconnect for when it's in storage or in between drives. It's like new plug wires. And look at how clean these valve covers are. You can actually still see, looks like the original stickers on there. Of course, that clean burn smart control system, the power brakes, power steering, AC. It appears all the components are there. May need to be recharged, and once again, it has been converted. You can also see the fittings up on the top. Good looking engine bay. Does not appear to show a lot of miles on it, as clean as it is. 1979 Chrysler Cordoba with those removable T-tops. And in the still pictures, you'll see the tops in and out. And those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Number to call, 507-386-1726. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
As well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1979 Chrysler Cordoba. One of the nicest ones I think I've ever seen. I've even got glass T-tops over my head. This is an automatic right here on the center console. The factory radio is working. Oil pressure is showing almost high, which is good. The alternator is charging a little over halfway on the gauge. The fuel gauge shows 3/4 of a tank. Temperature is almost a quarter of the way up, and the speedometer is working as it should. Digital clock over here on the right is telling me the correct time. Nice smooth ride from this car. We've got turn signal indicators out on the front of the hood, actually ahead of the hood. Love those turn signal indicators. Who could tell me what kind of leather seating is in this car? It's a fun one. Very nice leather seats, front and back. Great looking door panels. Smooth ride. The brakes are smooth. Accelerates nicely. Luxurious and sporty at the same time. The Chrysler Cordoba. Check out all the pictures of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.